Hello everyone, dear community, Stocklear. We're here today for a batch Grover. So Grover that you know well, the European leader in high-tech rentals, and we're here for a batch of functional used gaming computers. So gaming computers, we will find MSI, Omen, also Razer, so really the top brands of gaming. I remind you that these are functional second-hand items, so the products you will find in this lot are fully functional products that may show some signs of wear or marks on the cosmetic aesthetic part of the product. And I invite you to take a look at some products right away. So, for example, if I open this product, we find a perfect packaging with apparently the accessories here. Be aware that all accessories that are not essential to the product's functionality may not be present. And so, as we can see here, we have a Razer product apparently with slight signs of wear that seem to be more like stains. I'm going to take it out of its box. So we have a product that is in any case perfect at first glance, you know. There are really only signs of wear. I'm going to put it here. And so if we open it, well, there you go. The product seems to be in very good aesthetic and functional condition, of course. So you will have Razer. You will also have products from the MSI range, so here packed directly and at small protective cover to prevent stains. So same here, you know, the products at first glance some scratches, but very light, and a product that is really in a very good cosmetic condition as well. So there you go, an MSI, you find another one, an Asus, sorry, and you find an MSI here. So there you go. So as I was saying, it's a functional used lot, gaming computer in great condition, great for resale during Black Friday and Christmas periods. Feel free to check the lot description to know all the references present in this lot. But it's all the top brands, Razer, Omen, Asus. And don't hesitate to ask for shipping quotes. The products are located in Léas, in the north of France. See you very soon. Don't hesitate to bid.